Buick to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics, 1960 Buick LeSabre two-door hardtop. As you can see, black and white, two-tone combination. Riding on the wide white walls. Underneath the hood, 364 numbers matching nailhead V8. Take a look at the front bumper, grille, Buick tri-shield. The 364 underneath the hood is paired up with an automatic transmission, equipped with power steering, power brakes. Also AC has been installed in this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior to the underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Paint shows well on this one. I did notice a spot along the passenger side here. We got a light scratch. FYI. Otherwise, take a look at how straight this thing is. This is a Southgate, California built car, by the way. Interior, tri-tone, black, gray, and white. Left the key on there when I was checking out the AC a bit ago, so we'll fire this up here in a second. It'll be fine. It does have a new battery in it, so we're good to go. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the dual exhaust coming out the rear. It does have a nice little rumble to it. 364. Making a little noise in this one. This one will definitely turn some heads. The way it looks, the way it sounds. You can see the reflection coming off the trunk. Black ones have a nice shine to it. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And again, look at how straight this car is. All the way from the rear to the front of the driver's side. Alright, let's take a look at this interior. First of all, let's start with the door panels. There's a little rip between the cloth and the vinyl right there. Other than that, the seats appeared to be in decent shape with the exception of the back of the passenger seat. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures, what I'm talking about. Rear seats. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. Now, this usually will have a push start on the gas pedal. This one is not set up that way anymore. There's a button right underneath the dash, right here. Let's push that. There you go. You can hear a little rumble coming out of that 364, like I was saying. Gauge cluster added, some Bosch gauges. And then also AC controls. Fan blows great, turn all over to the right. Like I said, had it blowing cold. Say you had cool to cold. A little tough indoors, but can't be out in the heat. Check it, but definitely blowing cold. And the compressor turned on and off, as I was checking earlier also. Of course, these had the actual mirror that reflected, so you could adjust how you would be able to see the speedometer. Depending on where you're heading, how tall you were. Odometer, this one reads 74,565. Cannot confirm or deny whether that's actual or not, just because the miles will not stay in the title once it becomes so old. Alright, let's look around the back so you can hear this one run. Second, let's pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. See what's going on.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, let's look at the engine bay. New Edelbrock carb. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. Did mention the new battery. As you can see, power brakes, power steering. Flip over to this side. AC compressor, and I did click the AC on so you can see that the AC compressor is engaged, and also you can see that it is not R12. It is the newer, R134. Smooth runner. And once again, 364 paired with an automatic transmission. Numbers matching, the original one, numbers matching. You can see it on the top of the block, stamped right there. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.